first impression of the SWR?
Something new, interesting, looked like it could be beneficial to us, so we checked it out.
So what caught your interest initially in coming to see the SWR?
Well, we're trying to improve our efficiency. Quality's always been pretty good, but anything we can do better is going to help us. So improvement in quality is one of our main goals.
And from a production standpoint, how does it compare to manually welding?
Since I'm a welder, I know pretty well what somebody can get out of an 8-hour day, and I think we can probably pretty well triple that with the SWR.
How does it compare to other equipment you've looked at in the past?
I've seen some pretty good equipment, but as far as what we do here at our shop, the SWR is the only thing that's going to be beneficial to us, as far as the type of welds we do.
How was your experience at Novark training and working with the team?
The Novark training facility was a very, very cool thing. They had a lot of stuff going on, stuff I'm not used to seeing, and me and another guy actually had a very good experience there, and their team helped us out tremendously.
How do you feel about the support from Novark?
I think that's one of their strong points. I've told them while we were training, and just the general conversations, emails, things back and forth, that they've got a really good team. Seems like they're a strong knit team.
Thank you, Mr. Ray.
You're welcome.